feel like Jacques Cousteau and other ocean explorers? This amazing scooter will help you to enjoy the beauty of the underwater world and take water activities to a new level. The model weighs 3 pounds and is the size of a small Pepsi bottle. You can control it by using only your thumb, and it not only attaches to your arms and legs, but also to kayaks, canoes, and surfboards. With one scooter, you can reach a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour. With two, 4.5 miles per hour. The maximum dive depth is 197 feet, and one charge is enough for 56 minutes of use. And a special ring allows you to install GoPro cameras, lights, and other accessories. The price per scooter on Kickstarter starts at $329. You can also have fun on land with this pogo stick that will delight both kids and their parents. The model is designed for ages 9 and up and supports weights from 80 to 160 pounds. The body is covered with protective foam for safety, and the footrests have non-slip textured pads. The device also features a wider bounce tip for better pushback. The manufacturer notes that jumping on the pogo stick is not only fun, but also healthy. An hour-long jumping session burns up to 600 calories. You can potentially jump almost 3 feet high as well. And the pogo stick is fairly cheap, starting at $20. We've also found an interesting option for surfing enthusiasts. This electric foil board, or e-foil, will be of interest to beginners and pros alike. The manufacturer offers several models, one of which is equipped with a 3-kilowatt motor and accelerates up to 19 miles per hour. The board is made of carbon fiber, and the short mast and large foil make for a smooth lift and stable glide. A full battery will last about 65 to 90 minutes. The innovative shape of the board is suitable for almost any build. It comes with everything you need, including a set of screws and a special case. Words can't describe the feeling you get from speeding over waves with no resistance, the manufacturer assures. Would you dare to take it for a ride? This wing will make riding an e-foil even more exciting. It allows you to perform a lot of spectacular tricks and literally fly over the water. The dimensions of the wing are calculated according to a special chart based on the rider's weight. The materials include ripstop, a special fabric with reinforced threads, carbon fiber, and Kevlar, which allow to make the wing durable and lightweight. Several handles simplify maneuvering, and a pump adapter included in the kit is useful to quickly inflate the wing. The design is inspired by the fins of humpback whales, which, while being quite slow, swim with great agility. An absolute must-have for all outdoor activities, claim the creators of this flying disc. It looks bright and is brightly impressive thanks to the smart technology inside. With this disc, you can hold competitions for players of all ages. For example, you can compete in accuracy or range. And don't be afraid to hit the water. The disc is waterproof and won't sink. It analyzes each throw and displays a 3D simulation directly on your smartphone screen, so you can master different throwing styles and tricks much faster. Depending on the model and mode of operation, the range of the disc throw reaches up to 164 feet. It's powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, and one charge is enough for 2,000 throws or 100 minutes of play. Additionally, the manufacturer offers a unique round boomerang, also equipped with lighting and a battery enough for 45 minutes. A set of a disc and boomerang cost $96. If you really like Fast and Furious and Need for Speed, but don't have the resources to buy a racing car, don't worry. Here is an RC car that can accelerate up to 160 miles per hour, leaving many of its big brothers behind, according to the manufacturer. The communication range is 250 feet, while 40 minutes of battery charging via USB is enough for 10 minutes of play. To control it, you'll need special glasses that come with the kit. They show the video from the camera built into the car. The view is a bit like Formula One, and if you want to record the best moments, you can use the app for iOS and Android. The toy is designed for children 8 years and older, and the price starts at $230. Fans of Tony Hawk and Viva La Bam, you cannot miss this. This electric skateboard takes skating to a new level with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. The model is very stable and is recommended for beginners as well. One charge is enough for 15 miles. You can control the board using a special remote control that comes with the kit. Optionally, you can buy a variety of modifications: decks, wheels, motors, etc. The board weighs 18 pounds and can withstand up to 330 pounds of load. The deck is made of Canadian maple wood, bamboo and fiberglass, which makes it durable but also quite flexible. However, the skateboard doesn't tolerate water, so you should avoid puddles. The price tag starts at $570. The creators of this set offer the most realistic virtual adventure. Just put on these 3 sensors and you can take a walk through the world of your favorite game. Sensors weigh just over an ounce each and work for up to 10 hours without interruption thanks to their 370 mAh batteries. All necessary parameters are adjusted in the special app. Cat Loco also uses anti-interference algorithms. They detect random movements and don't transmit them into the game. And if you're feeling impatient, there is an in-Steam Turbo option. When you start the game, it will automatically select the optimal settings. The set is compatible with other VR headsets and more than 120 games, such as Skyrim VR, Fallout 4 VR, and Resident Evil 7. You can also integrate it into other projects, such as virtual fitness training or training courses. Upon request, the seller can add a PSVR adapter, a gun-shaped controller, and a mat. The price of the set starts at $150. A powerful water blaster capable of swamping anyone in range. That's how the manufacturer describes this toy. It holds 0.4 gallons of water, and thanks to the convenient handle, it lets you fire long jets of water. The blaster is about 10 inches long and weighs 20 ounces. There is no trigger, you have to pull the handle to fire. Interestingly, the blaster is useful not only in games, but also in protecting private property from unwanted visitors. According to a buyer, now when he opens the door, stray cats rush away, and another client used the blaster to chase away the neighbor's chickens from their property. Next up is a more serious device, a unicycle, which the manufacturer recommends to riders from 18 to 50 years of age. There is indeed a reason for this restriction. The model accelerates up to 44 miles per hour. Various adjustments are provided to harness the vehicle. For example, rebound, compression, and dampening of suspension can be adjusted. The model easily climbs stairs. You can stand firm with the help of special spiked power pads. The maximum load capacity is 265 pounds. The weight of the unicycle is about 77 pounds. A single battery charge will last 322 miles. Fans of night riding will be pleased with the headlights with adjustable angle, and the built-in stand will provide convenient storage as well. According to the idea of the manufacturer, the design theme is supposed to resemble the wings of an eagle. can you upgrade an ordinary inflatable water tube? It's easy. Just add a motor and a control system. The resulting engineering miracle will allow you to have fun in a pool, lake, or river, according to the manufacturers. The tube is equipped with a 3-blade propeller located in a safety box and a 66-watt compact motor powered by 6D batteries. Assembly will take very little time and no tools are needed. The diameter of the tube is 46 inches. It's suitable for both children and adults, and it's controlled by a joystick with a variety of maneuvers available, including 360-degree rotation and backward movement. And after playing in the water, you can also relax. A backrest and a cup holder are provided as well. The price of the water float is $150. This is, according to its creators, an awesome fidget toy that you've never seen. They are sure that this fidget is a great stress reliever and will help you get inspired because it combines 4 types of entertainment at once. The available options are a Rubik's Cube, a fingertip spinning top, a push-button structure, and a cogwheel structure. The fidget weighs 1.2 ounces and is easy to clean thanks to its waterproof design. It's designed so that your fingers don't get tired of it, and it lies comfortably in both hands, helping to stimulate both hemispheres of the brain and develop both analytical and creative abilities with constant hand movement. One fidget costs about $16. Quite a modest price for a source of inspiration, isn't it?